Ready, set, go Balls! Do they wobble to the floor? Nice ass, Mason, nice ass.
I'm at a nursing home. Thank you. This is the nursing home Olympics right here.
I will not go straight. Why do I keep hitting myself in the leg? Oh no!
Thrust, JC, thrust!
Lower!
It gets hard because right at the last second, your ball disappears.
No, it just turned it back.
That's what she said.
I'm stuck on the grass.
Come on, thrust.
I move like a centimeter every time.
I better get a date out of this.
That was a good one.
Oh.
So we've got David in first, Christian in second, Neff in third.
I know how to use.
Trailing behind is Taylor and JC.
I'm in last.
Is JC experiencing a lot of friction?
That area.
Thrust, thrust. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
God damn it.
Oh, I think David's winning by a mile.
Oh, I'm running into a ditch over here though.
Yeah, that's the long grass that was so hard to get through.
If somebody would just cut it. Take care of this.
It's not my yard. She doesn't live here. Oh my Jesus.
Right, it's like a workout.
Yeah.
Who needs P90X when you could do redneck golf?
Why is my left leg so tired?
Work it, work it. Oh. Do it again. Get that ball. Get that ball, David.
I feel like I'm a stripper.
You got the pole.
Okay, I'm going. This is not working. It's like
Seriously?
It's a workout.
This is the hardest fun thing I've ever done.
Really? Is it?
You don't need to go to the gym anymore.
Look at you. Oh, get it.
Out in your front yard.
Am I?
Come on!
Wait, David. No.
What is going on here?
So close. He can't get his ball around the...
The pole is obstructing me!
Work the pole.
Get it around the shaft.
Damn it!
Hey, don't touch that hose.
Chris is catching up.
No!
Oh, look at Christian. Christian's about to whoop you.
And Christian won.
Christian won.
Dude, that's no fair.
Wait, go for second, David.
That's no fair!
It's totally fair. He works his long line better than you.
I'm getting there.
I'm surprised I made it this far.
Work it, Taylor. David cheated.
I did not see that.
What we do. And it's funny because like everybody's kind of like this in the picture.
Your ball keeps going in circles.
It's pretty great.
Oh my god, I hit it, didn't go anywhere.
Oh my gosh! I can't get my
sweating.
ball on it. Squirted right there.
Take that, Taylor! A defense mechanism. It's like a James Bond film.
Okay, I got this.
So this is called what? Redneck golf?
Redneck golf, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah!
Neff got second because David cheated
I
for
did
it.
not cheat.
You kicked it over the line.
No, you don't. Shut your mouth right now.
Hip action. Who's in third? It might take a while.
You can't come back. You might need to edit this.
That was the greatest workout I've ever had. I'll film my
My leg is like...
Ooh, side action. Can't she? Ooh, that was good, JC.
Tempted to say that there needs to be a first place like runoff.
Oh,
for the
yeah.
2 heats.
Woo, all right.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
Yeah, I think so. So it's gonna be
Me and who?
I don't care.
Christian.
for all 3 of you.
Tie for fourth?
Since David is.
He's David.
Yeah.
Because since I'm
So I voted